And here we are, Advantage Brake and Muffler. They're going to do up a tailpipe for us. Well, a different muffler is what we're here for. There's the sign. Advantage Brake and Muffler. Do some pretty zowie work. Okay, there it goes. Yeah, that muffler's hanging down pretty low. That's what I'm worried about. So we're going to see if we can get it tucked up a little bit higher. Yeah, just
make this over axle.
You're saying,
oh,
there's one little hole there, yeah.
The body of the muffler is not bad. It's a little oil canny here. I mean, realistically, I should remake. I'll see how strong this is here.
Yeah.
Remake this piece and probably a muffler tailpipe.
Okay.
I think.
That stuff.
Let me check that. Let go.
So that was Mike who just called and said, why the hell would she want it noisier?
You don't get to decide that, bro.
Ah, it's all in the aid of domestic bliss.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, that pipe's in pretty good shape. All right.
Been married for 24 years.
Oh, really?
I know the rules.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, absolutely.
And you don't get to decide everything. Just say yes. That's like
All right. That's a handy little stand.
yeah, we break them and make it constantly.
All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey, that's a 10-bolt rear end. Jeez. All right. So you don't have a design to follow, it's just a, I think this will work?
Not anymore. Back in the day, yeah. We used to bend a lot by card.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, so this manufacturer had bending cards. And you'd look up the vehicle and give you the part number, you pull that card, and then there's a little dial indicator you'd mount and give you all the measurements.
Yeah. I had one of those, but I learned having the machine doesn't make you an exhaust guy, and I sold it.
Yeah, it's definitely, yeah, it doesn't work that way.
No.
Yeah, 100%.
Exactly.
Yeah. 100%. Have the pieces to do it doesn't mean you can do it.
Yeah, no, I learned real quick.
Yeah, it's
all right.
definitely interesting in that respect.
That's looking cool. Oh yeah. I like that new measuring tape. Fit, look, bend, and so far he's nailing it. Way cool.
Close.
Man, there's a lot going on in a small area.
Yeah.
All right.
And it's so many tight bends, so many bends so close together
Yeah.
that the bender doesn't like it.
No.
So it starts to smush the pipe.
It's coming nice. Oh yeah. All right. So when I come back to put duals on this, that's going to be even nastier or easier?
They don't matter to me.
Okay,
it's all the same. That's okay. No, doesn't really matter. I mean, it's pretty much front pipes just like that.
Right.
To get up into the tunnel.
That's just really
But we're going to put our mufflers here.
Oh,
so
okay.
you use pretty flat muffler in there, short flat guy. It's going to fit right in this spot.
Oh, right.
I mean, we can do it if I can still get the muffler. So back in the day when these were duals, they were dual into the muffler and dual out of the same muffler here.
Oh.
Which was very
okay.
uncommon for that in this era, but and they're hard to find because they're considered a cross flow muffler. Like even the newer Camaro mufflers that are single in dual tailpipe out, like the 3rd gen or whatever those are, you can't buy the muffler anymore. It's the only car that had it.
Oh, no way.
So whenever I have to get one, I buy all of them. I might have 1 or 2 on the shelf.
Okay.
I'm probably one of the only people that still have that muffler because they just don't do them like that anymore.
Right.
So yeah.
All right. Well, I'll keep it simple as I can.
But yeah, we can. It's no problem. Can you just eyeball that for me and tell me what you think for level?
That looks level.
Pretty decent there.
Yep.
Okay, go ahead, Jacob.
turn it around, you can. Just get it angled the other way.
Do this. That's it.
Need me to cut the mud flap?
Nope.
They came with the car. All right. Ooh, pretty fancy stuff, man. Nice. You been doing this a while?
What's that?
You been doing this a while?
I've been with Steve for 2.5 years now.
Right on, man.
Yeah. But I'm mostly the exhaust guy
Ah,
when he's trained up.
far up. Oh man, that is pretty tight. What do you do? Squish the pipe? No, you can't cut the quarter pounder.
Yeah, we just
Yeah, no
cut that
problem.
section out.
Make a release.
Why did you fix it?
Yeah, you bet. Wow. Okay.
Just got lucky on that.
This one's right up here. It's my fault.
Oh, nice.
Oh, I see.
Wow.
Oh, yeah,
Good.
I can hold that.
I'm going to get you to tack it and then we'll tighten this one up and then you can put it here.
Yep.
So I have this where I want it now. This way. Tack it there. Ground. Just grab the gun here and we'll take this guy.
That's pretty freaking nice. Wow.
Okay, I'll go here.
That's freaking nice. Ooh. I like that. Pretty fancy welding. All right. Oh, we're smiling.
I don't even bother welding.
Here, run it up again there. Oh yeah. Gotta like that. Thank you.
Yeah,
Nice
no
job. Right on.
We just got a leak jacket.
Advantage Brake and Muffler. Awesome work.
Ah, but you're getting free.
Oh, that's nice. Right on. Well, thank you kindly for the
Yeah.
fantastic welding job. Right on, man.
Safe trip.
Now we're at other supply, Grand Prairie. This is where I get most of my stuff.